Hi, Sakshi. My name is Yuki. I'm a communication specialist of the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Advisory. And we know that you and your team participating in the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Advisory project. So
Yeah.
could you please introduce some basic information?
Hi, I'm Sakshi Middha. I joined the CATS program, MBA program in spring 2021, and I got an opportunity. I was very fortunate to get an opportunity to work with CAPS and Robotics as my client and a PMF project during summer 2021. And I was working as a marketing consultant where they wanted to know the competitive analysis of the company and the solution they were offering. So that was primarily focused on in a project.
And can you tell me in what ways has this project helped you to grow professionally?
Glad you asked this. I actually that taking the project, PMF project during summer was a turning point for my career. I come from a software background, so my skill set were more towards analytical and problem solving skill set. And when I took that project, it did give me a platform where I could polish my marketing skills, polish my research skills. That was something which I was lacking earlier, and I'm so glad I could work with PMF and I could gain these kind of experience, like real world experience.
That's great. And could you share one thing that you learned as a result of this project that will help you to grow your career?
Yes, I think there are many. I don't know if I can narrow down to one, but the first thing which I learned was like no industry, like our scope is when we start working on a company industry which we didn't have any exposure on, there is a lot of information. It's so important to understand the market before you actually propose any solution to the client, and the client who is working in the real world is has a lot of competition to see. So it's really important for as a consultant or as for any person who's giving guidance to the client. They need to understand the scope, the industry in and out. That is one of the important thing which I learned how to do it, how to explore or how to understand what the industry is working on, what are the challenges, what are the client value add, how does it differentiate from its competitor. That was something which I didn't know how to do it, but it was a platform where I could learn it. A second thing I learned was working with a diverse team during that project. I was very happy with working with my teammates. I got to face a lot of challenges working with the different opinions, different diverse backgrounds, but we all overcome together, and it was such a fantastic place where we grew as a consultant, and that's what we learned in PMF.
I'm so happy to hear that you've gained so valuable experience. How would you describe your experience about this project in 3 words?
In 3 words,
Yeah,
I would say fantastic, great learning opportunities, something that will help you grow as a consultant.
wow. Thank you so much for sharing your experience and your stories. We appreciate that a lot. Thank
Thank
you.
you.